Welcome, entrepreneurs, innovators, and dreamers. We stand at the precipice of 2025, a year poised to redefine manufacturing. The barriers to entry are lower than ever, thanks to accessible technology and global marketplaces like Alibaba and Amazon. This isn't just about starting a business, it's about building an empire, one innovative product at a time. Today, we're unveiling the top 20 business machines you can acquire right now to launch or scale your manufacturing venture. These aren't just tools, they are catalysts for creation, enabling you to transform raw materials into profitable products. Whether you're an e-commerce giant, a small business owner, or an aspiring inventor, this guide is your blueprint. Get ready to unlock unprecedented potential and make 2025 your year of the maker. First on our list is the 3D printer, a true gateway to innovation. These machines, available in FDM for robust prototypes or SLA for high-detail finishes, allow you to bring complex designs to life. They are indispensable for rapid prototyping, custom part creation, and even small batch production. Imagine creating bespoke components on demand, iterating designs quickly, or producing unique consumer goods. A 3D printer empowers you to move from concept to tangible product with unparalleled speed and flexibility. It's an essential tool for any modern manufacturing startup. Next, consider the versatility of a laser cutter and engraver. This machine offers incredible precision for cutting, engraving, and etching a wide array of materials, including wood, acrylic, leather, and even some metals. Its accuracy allows for intricate designs and perfect repeatability. From personalized gifts and custom signage to architectural models and intricate jewelry components, the applications are vast. A laser cutter elevates your product's perceived value through professional finishes and bespoke detailing. It's a powerful asset for customization and branding. For those looking to work with larger materials and more robust applications, the CNC router is a game changer. This computer-controlled machine excels at advanced woodworking, metalworking, and plastics fabrication. It can carve, cut, and shape materials with extreme accuracy. The CNC router is ideal for producing furniture components, custom cabinetry, intricate artistic pieces, or even molds for other manufacturing processes. It offers industrial-grade precision and efficiency, allowing for complex geometries and high-volume production runs. This machine significantly expands your fabrication capabilities. A low-cost, high-impact machine that offers immediate revenue potential is the vinyl cutter. These devices precisely cut adhesive vinyl, heat transfer vinyl, and other thin materials. They are incredibly user-friendly and require minimal setup. You can produce custom stickers, decals for vehicles or windows, personalized apparel using heat transfers, and even stencils. The vinyl cutter is perfect for businesses focused on customization, branding, or promotional products. It provides a quick entry point into manufacturing with diverse product offerings. Complementing the vinyl cutter, or standing alone as a powerful branding tool, is the heat press. This machine applies heat and pressure to transfer designs onto various substrates. It's crucial for customizing textiles, ceramics, and other heat-resistant materials. With a heat press, you can create custom t-shirts, mugs, caps, tote bags, and even phone cases. It allows for professional-grade branding and personalization, turning blank items into unique, high-value products. This machine is a cornerstone for apparel and promotional product businesses. Moving into more advanced production, a small-scale injection molding machine can revolutionize your plastic product manufacturing. These machines melt plastic pellets and inject them into a mold cavity, creating identical parts quickly and efficiently. They are perfect for bulk creation of plastic components. This technology is invaluable for product development, producing proprietary plastic parts, or manufacturing consumer goods like bottle caps, small enclosures, or specialized connectors. Small-scale units are now affordable and manageable for independent manufacturers. It enables consistent high-volume output for plastic products. To give your metal products a durable and professional finish, a powder coating system is an excellent investment. This process applies a dry powder electrostatically to metal, which is then cured under heat to create a hard finish. It offers superior durability and aesthetics compared to traditional paint. Powder coating enhances the longevity and appearance of metal parts, from automotive components to furniture frames and custom enclosures. It provides a high-quality, chip-resistant, and environmentally friendly finish. This system adds significant value and professionalism to your metal products. Professional product labeling is critical for brand recognition and compliance. A dedicated label maker or printer allows you to produce high-quality custom labels in-house. This gives you complete control over your branding and product information. You can create eye-catching labels for food products, cosmetics, industrial components, or packaging. This machine ensures your products stand out on shelves and convey essential information clearly. It's an often overlooked but vital component for product differentiation and market readiness. Efficient and secure packaging is essential for product protection and retail readiness. A packaging machine, such as a heat sealer or shrink wrap machine, streamlines this crucial step. These machines ensure your products are protected during transit and presented professionally. Whether you're sealing food items, shrink wrapping electronics, or creating tamper-evident packaging, these machines improve efficiency and product integrity. They contribute to a professional unboxing experience and reduce damage during shipping. Investing in proper packaging elevates your brand's perceived quality. For businesses venturing into textiles, leather goods, or soft furnishings, an industrial sewing machine is indispensable. Unlike domestic machines, industrial models are built for continuous operation, speed, and handling heavy-duty materials. They offer superior stitch quality and durability. You can produce clothing lines, custom bags, upholstery, or specialized textile components with precision and efficiency. An industrial sewing machine opens doors to fashion, accessories, and home goods manufacturing. It's a foundational tool for any fabric-based product business. For those in electronics manufacturing, a small-scale PCB assembly machine is a game-changer. These machines automate the placement of electronic components onto printed circuit boards. They are crucial for building custom circuit boards and electronic devices. This allows you to produce your own proprietary electronics, from smart home devices to specialized sensors or custom controllers. It significantly reduces reliance on external assembly houses and accelerates product development. A PCB assembly machine brings electronics manufacturing in-house. Shaping metal accurately is a core requirement for many manufacturing processes. A metal bender allows you to precisely bend sheet metal, rods, or tubes to specific angles and forms. This machine is essential for creating custom brackets, enclosures, and structural components. From automotive parts to custom furniture and architectural elements, a metal bender provides the capability to create complex metal forms. It offers precision and repeatability, crucial for consistent product quality. This tool expands your ability to work with various metal designs. Joining metal parts securely is fundamental in many industries. A welding machine, whether MIG, TIG, or stick, allows you to fuse metal pieces together. It's an essential tool for fabricating structures, repairing equipment, and creating durable metal products. Welding is critical for manufacturing frames, custom machinery, artistic metalwork, and robust enclosures. It provides strong, permanent bonds, ensuring the structural integrity of your products. A welding machine is a core competency for any metal fabrication business. Achieving precision and quality in metal finishing often requires a grinding machine. These machines use abrasive wheels to remove material, refine surfaces, and achieve exact dimensions. They are vital for deburring, sharpening, and creating smooth finishes. A grinding machine ensures your metal components meet tight tolerances and have a professional appearance. It's used for tool sharpening, surface finishing, and preparing parts for further processing or assembly. This machine is key to delivering high-quality, finished metal products. Direct printing onto various materials offers immense customization and branding opportunities. A digital printing machine can print high-resolution images and designs directly onto substrates like wood, glass, metal, or plastic. This eliminates the need for labels or transfers in many cases. You can create custom phone cases, personalized signage, branded promotional items, or unique art pieces with vibrant, durable prints. Digital printing allows for short runs and on-demand customization, making it highly flexible. It's a powerful tool for adding visual appeal and brand identity. Creating custom molds, packaging or product enclosures efficiently can be achieved with a vacuum forming machine. This process heats a plastic sheet and then uses a vacuum to draw it over a mold, forming the desired shape. It's excellent for producing lightweight custom plastic parts. Vacuum forming is ideal for creating blister packaging, custom trays, product prototypes, or even theatrical props. It offers a cost-effective way to produce custom plastic shells and covers. This machine provides versatility for both product and packaging solutions. For high-volume printing on various materials, a screen printing machine is a robust solution. This method pushes ink through a mesh stencil onto a substrate, allowing for vibrant colors and durable prints. It's highly efficient for large production runs. Screen printing is perfect for custom apparel, posters, banners, and industrial components. It offers excellent color saturation and can print on irregular surfaces. This machine is a workhorse for businesses requiring consistent, high-quality prints in quantity. As your production scales, a modular automated assembly line becomes a strategic investment. These systems can be configured to perform repetitive tasks, from component placement to fastening and testing. They significantly increase throughput and reduce labor costs. An automated line ensures consistent product quality and accelerates your manufacturing process. It allows you to scale production without proportional increases in manual labor. This machine is crucial for businesses aiming for high-volume, efficient manufacturing. For businesses creating custom formulations, such as cosmetics, food products, chemicals, or paints, an industrial mixer or blender is essential. These machines ensure thorough and consistent mixing of ingredients, critical for product quality and stability. An industrial mixer allows for precise control over batch consistency and ingredient dispersion. It's vital for developing new products and maintaining quality across production runs. This machine is a cornerstone for any formulation-based manufacturing business. Finally, ensuring your products meet high standards is paramount. Quality control equipment, ranging from digital calipers and force gauges to specialized testing rigs, verifies product specifications and performance. These tools are non-negotiable for maintaining brand reputation. Investing in robust QC equipment minimizes defects, ensures compliance, and builds customer trust. It allows you to consistently deliver products that meet or exceed expectations. This machine is the guardian of your brand's integrity and customer satisfaction. We've explored 20 powerful business machines, each capable of transforming your entrepreneurial vision into a tangible reality. From the precision of a 3D printer to the efficiency of an automated assembly line, these tools are more accessible than ever before. They represent the democratization of manufacturing, putting the power of production directly into your hands. Remember, success in manufacturing hinges on thorough research, meticulous planning, and a willingness to start small and scale strategically. Alibaba and Amazon are not just marketplaces, they are your allies in sourcing the equipment that will drive your growth. The future of manufacturing is decentralized, innovative, and within your reach. Now is the time to take action. Identify the machines that align with your product vision, conduct your due diligence, and begin building your manufacturing empire. The journey of 1,000 products begins with a single machine. Start manufacturing today.